land rights comes very much from the succession, which now in Hindu Succession Act as well as the Indian Succession Acts, which deals with the other kind of, all are given the equal empowerment, equal rights in the inheritance property. But still that lacks a very badly implementations. So the moment land rights it's not there with women, they are falling short with the government schemes, financing support and money lending from the financial institutions. So everything is then becoming the vicious cycle that you can imagine, like resilient agriculture, women can play a big role, but when it is coming to take about the decisions, just because they don't have the rights and the name or the title over the land ownership, that is creating a kind of loophole problem. So it's a very important issue that needs to be addressed, and not just from the environmental law or any other law, but from that itself, that very basic rooted problem that is, and that needs to be addressed very soon. And we hope that this kind of conversations, that we talk about multidisciplinary, we talk environment is very multidisciplinary, but when it comes the law, environmental law is not really very multidisciplinary yet. You cannot look environmental law ko bhi in isolations. You actually need to look with many other legal framework which has nothing to do with environment at all, but needs very level of strengthening, which right now is also important for the agricultural aspects. Small scale farmers ka bhi same issues when I talked about the integrated farming kind of thing, or the biogas, bioslurry kind of examples, all are very helpful for the small scale farmers, because for them again, because their marginal land holding is much less, so chances of experimenting with new thing, what he was also talking about, pre-experiment, pre-level assessment, so these kind of things is much at ease for the small scale holders, so that chances of loss will be experimented in a much smaller scale in that way.